Hi everyone, I'm your ELA. My name is Beck, and I'm looking forward to working alongside you. So what I want you to do this week is introduce yourself. I want you to tell us what's your name. If you're really game, you might want to do it on video like this. It actually saves you a whole lot of time writing things down on a computer, and you can just upload it. But if you prefer the good old write down, go for it. My name's Beck. I'd like you to tell me where you live. I'd love you to tell me what you do for work. And then final thing I'd love you to tell me is, what do you think about play? So is play important for you? How have you seen it done really well, or how have you seen it done really poorly? And then I want you to find me a quote that articulates what you feel about the importance of play and learning in early childhood education and primary school education. So my quote for you is this one. Play is the highest form of research, and it's by Albert Einstein. Looking forward to hearing from you all this week and getting to know you guys a bit better. It's great to have some familiar faces in the group, to see some students that I've had before. And I really hope that you enjoy it, especially I think the latter part of the unit is going to be a lot of fun. You get to really explore what your spaces are going to look like to really promote play-based learning inside and outside. So looking forward to the conversations in the coming week.